creating a new laundry but short on space? With the right appliances and the right layout, you can create a space that suits you and your workflow. Consider your options: stacked appliances, side by side, or the ultimate space saver, the all-in-one combo. First, stacked appliances. Stacking your washer and dryer will ensure easy access and free up floor space for other essentials like a broom or linen cupboard. Just be sure to choose compatible appliances, or go all-in-one with one of the latest washer-dryer towers. Next, side-by-side appliances. This layout is perfect if you like to fold clothes fresh from the dryer. Just park the washer and dryer side by side under the countertop. Placing appliances at waist height or on a plinth will help you avoid bending or back strain. Plus, you can allow for storage underneath, and you can never have enough storage. Finally, the washer-dryer combo. A great solution for smaller homes or apartments. These do everything a regular washer and dryer do in a single unit. They will even wash and dry clothing in a single cycle. Got a big family that needs to do regular loads? Consider separate appliances for greater washing and drying capacity. The good guys are here to help. Visit us in-store or online.